Bearings can be the cause of costly production stoppages if they should fail. Most maintenance plans include a regular inspection of bearings whilst the machine is in operation. Bearings tend to give various warnings when they begin to fail, with rough, irregular rumblings. The first stage of running checks is to listen to the bearing as it works. A screwdriver or wooden rod makes a handy listening tool. Place one end firmly against the bearing housing, close to the bearing. Listen to the transmitted noise by placing your ear against the end of the listening device. A healthy bearing will produce a soft, purring sound. Special sound testing instruments are available for more accurate listening. Always keep safety in mind when performing checks on running machinery. Never wear loose clothing or jewelry, and keep long hair tied up. Use a sounding rod that is long enough to prevent you having to lean over any moving parts. Having listened to a bearing, the next check is to test the bearing temperature as it runs. Here again, safety must be uppermost. Use extreme caution in performing this operation. Feel the temperature of the housing. If a bearing housing feels too hot for the hand to touch, or hotter than other similar bearings, then there may be a problem which you should report to your supervisor. Special thermometers can be obtained to accurately test the running temperatures of bearings. New bearings, or ones that have just been re-greased, tend to run hotter than normal for a few hours at least. Actual running temperatures may be recommended by the equipment manufacturer. A bearing that increases its temperature as it runs, or runs persistently hot, should be removed and renewed if necessary, after the cause of the problem has been rectified. Finally, inspect the bearing assembly visually for physical damage and lubricant leakage. Arrange to have repairs made as soon as possible in order to rectify any damage. Remember to use only approved lubricants and replacement parts. This concludes the Bearings Overview program. You will find more information in the workbook, which you should read carefully, after which you should perform the suggested exercises. You can learn more about bearings and maintenance procedures by viewing other programs in this series.